Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a gorgeous 1974 Corvette. The pictures don't do it justice, but when you see this brandywine color with the tan leather interior, it is beautiful. Even the cameraman, he just pegged this at $70,000. It's not even half of that, but beautiful car. Just went through a pretty thorough restoration. It was stripped down to bare fiberglass, show quality paint. The wheels were restored, the motor was rebuilt, the suspension was redone, the brakes were redone, 4-speed transmission, new leather seats. So it's got a lot going for it for not a lot of money. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study the pictures. That's where you will find a price tag on every one of our collector cars, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a Corvette. Yeah, I made this reference a few weeks ago. We just bought a Polaris side-by-side utility vehicle, and it costs more than this car. This is a beautiful Corvette. You're going to get compliments anywhere you go with this one. It's just one of those cars. In the Corvette clubs, there's so much to do. They have events and shows. You wave to other Corvette owners. So this is certainly a way of getting in a collector car hobby. Even if you had to make the monthly payment, it's so small, just about anyone should be able to afford this beautiful car. Anyway, underneath, he did slightly raise the body off the frame. He replaced the body bushings. The front end looks like that's been rebuilt. It's upgraded with a bigger sway bar and Coney gas shocks. These have independent rear suspension as well, and it was updated with a fiberglass rear leaf spring and also Coney shocks. And a lot of the other components look real clean. He redid the brakes. They're disc brakes at all 4 corners. It's got a custom exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It sounds real nice. You look up at the motor. It's clean because it was recently rebuilt. It has its VIN number matching 4-speed transmission in there. Recently just upgraded the rear end with a 373 posi unit. So underneath the car is very sound, mechanically in order. A lot of work's been done under there. So he stripped the body to bare fiberglass. It's a very clean body, all of its original panels, so it's never been in a wreck, and it's fantastic. The headlights, the hood, they all fit precisely. There's not a bump on this nose. The bumper is absolutely straight and fits real nicely. Yeah, this is straight. It didn't look this good when it was new. Really straight. The gaps are right on. I don't see any damage. I don't see any cracking. I don't see any problem areas. I'm looking at the body. He did put a 1982 rear bumper, so it has a little tail fin to dress it up a little bit more. Also in excellent shape. I don't see any body issues at all. Now getting back to the paint, it's like a piece of candy. You almost want to lick it. It's like a brandy wine, real tiny metal flake, all different color metal flake. When the light hits it, it pops. It's just a beautiful color. I had seen our pictures already. This is one in person. You got to see it. Got a power antenna. But getting back to the paint, it's also polished smooth like glass. I don't see any flaws to tell you about it. I'm sure I might have missed something, but it's painted like glass. Here's a little bump right here. You have to look in the light to find it. And another one right here. So two little bumps right there from something. The wheels, they're vintage style wheel. I actually sent them out and had them restored, and they're beautiful. I like them. Cooper Cobra tires. Original windshield is good. Couple little surface nicks on it. Stainless trim is shiny. Obviously, it's a T-top car. We have one on, one off, so you can see it both ways. Door handles look new. The car sits nice. Tail lights look like they're new. So there you have it. That's the outside. Let's open it up. We'll show you inside. I was going to mention this is a GM color. It's not the original color for this car, but if you ever needed to match it or touch it up, it is a stock color, believe it or not. I would have bet it was custom. So we painted the jambs completely. Weather strips are replaced. The interior color complements the exterior really well. That door panel is completely new. All the wood grain, the trim, that's all been replaced. That beautiful polished wood wheel. This is a tilt-telescopic wheel. It slides in and out and tilts. The dash pad's original. There is a crack right here. It's not curled or anything, but there is a crack. The instruments are original. Tachometer, gauges. Does have a more modern stereo. Center console's original, in good shape. Little nicks and little wear. Correct lockout shifter. Got a leather armrest cushion. New genuine leather upholstery, and they probably new cushions because it fits real nicely. That's where you store the T-top. And all the carpet throughout the car looks like it's been replaced. Looks like they got it a little dirty here from something. All the trim is real nice. Seat belts are real nice. Up front it does have Lloyd's floor mats, embroidered floor mats. Under the T-tops, the visors. Oh, that's real good. So it is a 350 motor. It was rebuilt. It's bored to a 355. It's got a little hotter cam. It's had some work on the heads. Up on top, it's got an aluminum intake with a quick fuel carburetor hiding under there, big carburetor. It has HEI ignition system. It has the cowl induction air cleaner system. And down here it does have a set of headers. Also has the finned aluminum valve covers. We have power brakes. It's got power steering hiding down below there. The radiator is new, still has the stickers on it. There's a fan shroud. Under the hood has the insulation. Looks like one of the clips. No, that's just the way it is. Maybe a little glue behind there to hold that in place a little better. Aluminum water pump. So yeah, nice looking motor compartment, but it is a rebuilt motor, power steering, power brakes. I tell you what, car is very clean overall. The colors are gorgeous. This is just one of those cars you're going to get multiple compliments. It can be a person that doesn't even care about cars. They're going to walk by this, they're going to say, that's beautiful. It's just one of those cars. And again, very affordable, fun to drive. Corvettes do nothing but go up in value. You can buy so many aftermarket pieces for a Corvette. You can tinker with it, make it your own. You can leave it just the way it is. You can go to car shows. You can go to dinner. You can do all sorts of things with it for very little money. Anyway, that's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They can answer your questions the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway, and they can help you get it financed at volocars.com. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.